organise my life. So I thought I might as well do a YouTube video on this. So today my daughter and I are going to do a season changeover from winter to summer clothes. So this is her bedroom and her wardrobe. So let me show you how we do it. Let's
go.
So the first step with the season changeover is actually to do a bit of a declutter in your wardrobe. So what I recommend to do is take out everything from your wardrobe. As you're taking it out, decide, am I gonna keep it? Am I gonna wear it again? So this doesn't apply to kids, it's for adults too. If you are going to be doing it with children, get your kids involved as well, because they can do a bit of a try on for you and they actually get excited about doing stuff like this. So here we are, Olivia is bringing everything out now and we're going to go through and have a look what she's going to keep. When we're going through and deciding what we're gonna put away and what we're gonna keep, I actually make a pile of the winter clothes, which are just right there. They're gonna be stored away on the top shelf. We also have a donate or to give to someone else pile, and we also have a pile of the things that we are keeping, because sometimes on some of the cooler days in the summer we still need like a light knit or something like that. And also what I like to do is try and keep the same hangers so it all matches in the wardrobe. It makes a huge difference.
Mum, I really like this.
Okay then, just keep it.
Okay.
So now we've actually gone through and we've put all the dresses and everything back, and Olivia has some metal drawers. So now we're going to start going through all the drawers and doing the same process. Okay, so we've been through all the hanging stuff and now we've been through all the metal drawers. So in this one we have all the t-shirts on this side and we have more of the sleeveless tops on this side. Folding them this way helps you to see what you have and you can just grab out what you need. It's a really good way of folding, the Marie Kondo technique, Google it, but it's all that folding into three. And we also have some shorts here and some more sporty type shorts, and then on the last one we just have some shoes which she wants to put away. So that's all her drawers now organised. So now we've been through all the drawers and all the hanging. So now we're going to concentrate on this bit up here, which has become quite disorganized over the last 6 months. So we're going to go through, see what we're going to keep and make it a lot neater. To show you the progress so far. In her wardrobe we have all the school clothes here, just really easy to get to, and I place these on top of her baskets here where she's got her hat and her gym shorts and her school shoes too. And then we have all of her dresses, and then we've just got like her denim jackets, and we've got a couple of pants, and where you can't see, she's just got some lightweight jumpers too, just for the summer on the cooler nights. Completely cleared the top shelf, just putting the bits and pieces that she wants, to try to keep that clutter free. But on the bit where you can't see, we've got all of the winter clothes at the back. Now usually I would put these in some sort of tub, but that's on the to-do list. So for now they're in the section that I want them to be until they get put in a tub. hope you enjoyed that video all about how to change over in the different seasons. This looks a lot neater and I think we're done. Right, over to
Signing.
signing out.